In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how people are actually selling talking websites and making hundreds of dollars per customer per month while doing so. My name is Ray O'Daniel, and I'm an affiliate for the Highlevel software platform. And here I want to show you a new feature that Highlevel has come out with that will allow you to sit back and configure an AI bot on a website and actually sell that for $200-300 or even more per month to customers to help solve their business problems of just simply interacting with their customers, providing answers, and even possibly booking appointments. And you can do all of this within an hour of configuration and setup easily. And I'm going to show you in this video. But before I show you how this thing actually works, what I'd like to show you is an interesting article I actually found on Forbes here over the last couple of weeks. Here's one of the things as I was prepping for this video, I was wanting to just see if there was anything out there specifically on Forbes because they're a really good site that I like to look at for business information. And here they've got 5 AI agents you can deploy in your business. Now, again, this article is meant for business owners and what type of agents that you can actually deploy in your business. Now, the very first one I ran across is the one that I'm actually going to be talking to you about today, a 24/7 lead capture and service agent. Now, I've said before, I've actually been using the Highlevel software platform for several years now, and they've actually just introduced a new component, a new sort of twist on an AI chatbot that actually allows the chatbot to call and communicate directly with an AI interface to be able to answer questions and so forth from a website, even from a mobile device. So let me first of all show you what this thing looks like, and then I'm going to show you how literally within 30 seconds you can configure one of these things to actually work. Now, this is actually configuring it. There is a little bit more work in there, which is why I said about an hour of configuration. But to actually get the chatbot set up, it takes less than 30 seconds. But let me show you what it looks like here. Now, let's imagine that we're dealing with this is simply a template for a landscaping site, but let's just assume this is Joe's Landscaping. Okay, now this is what you're looking for down here on the bottom right. This is one of the components that you can actually configure inside of Highlevel and then copy a little piece of code, maybe 5 or 6 lines of code, put it on their website. And once you put it on their website, then you get this. You get the ability, let me move myself over here. You get the ability to sit back and have a voice AI bot where somebody can actually tap, call, and communicate directly with an AI that interfaces 24/7 within your customer or client's business. Now, first of all, I tried to pull up some statistics on Google regarding how many people actually look at websites and things like that. And it's hard to pull up statistics. Google doesn't publish a whole lot, but I did find one that said customers are 2.7 times more likely to actually use a customer's website if they have an AI chatbot on it. Now just think about that, 2.7 times, and that's coming from statistics from what Google presented back in 2023 that I actually found online. But this right here is something that you can easily sell to businesses for a couple of $100s a month that can help them get thousands, even sometimes tens of thousands of dollars in revenue every single month by just simply having this. Let's hop on and take a look and see what this sounds like here. Let me go ahead and allow it.
Hey, you have reached Joe's Landscaping. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking to ask somebody about getting a bid for some work. I need to get some lawn mowing done, and I'm looking to have a retaining wall built in my front yard. Can you help me with that?
Got it. I can help get the ball rolling for you. Let me take down some details, and a team member will reach out to discuss your project and provide a bid. Can I start with your name, please?
Sure. My name is Ray O'Daniel.
Thanks, Rayo. Let me confirm that. Rayodaniel, right?
No, my name is Ray O'Daniel.
Oh, got it. Thanks for clarifying. So that's Ray O'Daniel, Rayo apostrophe Daniel, correct?
Absolutely correct.
Perfect, Ray. Now, could you share your email address so we can send you any follow-ups or details?
Sure. Just ray@gmail.com.
Thanks, Ray. Let me confirm that. Ray@gm.
Now, I'm not going to sit back and go through all the rest of it. This can sit back and go on. The AI bot can simply ask for what are you calling in about to confirm the information. They can even look at getting an appointment booked by giving you appointment times and things like that. My goal was just simply to show you that this is what you can actually sell to small businesses to help solve the problem of being able to get more customers from their website every single month. Now, let me hop into the Highlevel platform and just show you just how easy this is to get set up here. So I'm going to come in here under Sites, and I'm going to come over to Chat Widget. Now, keep in mind, first of all, I'm just showing you one little component of Highlevel. Highlevel is a huge sales and marketing platform. You could do so much. You can make so much money with this platform. It's crazy. I've got tons of video on my YouTube channel regarding how you can use the different features to make money. I'm just showing you one in this video about how people crazy making just thousands of dollars a month by just simply going and asking, hey, can I put an AI chatbot on your website, and charging them $300 a month for doing so. So here's it right here. So let me just show you real quick. I'm going to open this up, and this is all the different types of chatbots that high level can talk about. But right now, I'm just going to show you this, but now I'm going to close this and I'm going to show you. I told you that you can configure this in 30 seconds and I don't want to be a liar. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on new. We saw the voice AI bot. I'm going to click on voice AI bot. I'm going to come up here and give it a name. Let's just say I call it voice AI bot. If I could spell right. Goodness, okay. Let's updating the name pretty well here. Give me a second. So let's just say we call this voice AI bot. And now we're just going to click save. This is all we need to do to really configure the base bot of what you just saw on the website that we looked at here. Now, this AI bot is actually going to communicate with another voice AI component built into Highlevel. But as far as actually configuring and building the bot, this is really all you need to do to get this basic bot down here. So this right here is just all you need to do to sit back and get a pretty basic bot. Now, that was within 30 seconds. Now, you can do tons of stuff with this. You can style this. You can give it different colors. You can sit back and do different customizations, meaning you can put it in different spots on the screen. So you can have it in the lower right. You can have it in the lower left, upper right. You can position it wherever you want. The chat window, you can actually give this thing anything that you want. This is what it looks like. You could change the blue color. You could change the image. You could change this talk to us. All the things about this are completely customizable and open for you to customize. But the base system that you could just simply copy and paste on somebody's website can easily be done within that first 30 seconds of what I showed you. Now, if you don't have a website built within Highlevel, it's a little bit more complicated, which is why I said initially an hour to configure it. I gave you an hour. But what you're going to do is come up here to this little bot area up here where it says get code. So if you get code, this is it right here. You're going to copy this and you're going to paste this inside of the header area for the website that you're trying to put this on. Now, when you do that, this is exactly what's going to happen. You're going to put this on there, and then now you're going to actually be able to sit back and get this. Oh, it looks like that didn't work out. Sorry, I messed up my copy and paste, but that looks like if you looked at Joe's Landscaping, that little AI bot, that's what you're going to get when you're able to sit back and get this thing configured. So this is how easy it is to simply use one little feature within Highlevel to sit back and make hundreds of dollars per month. Now, keep in mind, this is open to any type of business. Now, I was just using landscaping. You can use this for any business whatsoever that you can think of. You can configure this for this. So overall, I would say try to be very modest because I am a high-level expert. You can configure all the components that you need here easily within 3 hours. Within 3 hours, you can sit back and do all of that. Now, if you find this interesting at all, why don't you click the like button, leave me a comment, and just let me know what you think about this. Think, am I full of crap? Or is this a great opportunity? It's completely up to you. Now, here's one thing that I will offer you. If you're looking to learn more, I'm not going to charge you for anything. I've got a free course offering in this video description. Log into the free course. I offer you several training components, but one of them is called the AI Employee Playbook. Inside there, you're going to be able to know within the first 30 minutes of just seeing all the different components. Again, this is just one component of AI Employee. There are several other components that you could sell, not just for $300 a month, but $300, $500, $800, even $1,000 a month per customer per month. So just imagine you have 10 customers. You go out and you find 10 customers. You're charging them $500 a month, very modest fee to have a 24/7 virtual AI employee answering the phones, monitoring their website. They can do things like monitor all their social media, their Facebook pages, their social media posts. All of that stuff comes in and can be handled by AI inside of the Highlevel system. So $500 a month, 10 clients, that's $5,000 a month, $5,000 a month, reoccurring. Next month, $5,000. The month after that, $5,000. It's cumulative. As long as you keep the clients and you perform and the system works as it's supposed to, which it does, because it's already been tested. Hundreds and thousands of people are already using this inside the Highlevel platform. But keep this in mind. There are over 36 million small businesses in the US alone. Okay? This pond, forgive me if the expression, but there are more fish in this pond than people can possibly catch. So there are people coming up with AI employee business services, starting AI companies, servicing clients for this. You don't need 1 million clients to make money. I just gave you the example of 10. 10 a month, making $500 a month per client. That's $5,000 a month. Now, heaven forbid, if you go out and you're really ambitious and you could do this while you're still working, get 20 customers, 30 customers. Now you're making 15, 20 grand a month. It's going to dwarf the amount of money you were making in your 9-to-5 job. So you can actually focus on this full time. And this is monthly recurring revenue. This isn't, I'm going to sell a $10,000 website one time and I got to go out and find another client. No, this is building what they call a software as a service business. You are selling this software. It's performing a service. It is making your clients money. And in return, they're paying you a small portion of that revenue back every month. That's it. Now, if you're interested, I would highly recommend using my affiliate link below. If you're interested in signing up for Highlevel, I will let you know if you're interested in more with Highlevel, you can go to GoHighLevel.com. That is our main website. You can actually sign up for a free trial, although I will warn you, please don't do so on their main website. I am one of their higher end affiliates, and I can actually give you a 30-day free trial. You only get a 14-day free trial when you sign up directly on the site, and I give you tons of additional bonuses and help that's going to help get your AI business up and running so much faster and quicker, and you'll get direct access to me to be able to coach you and help you along the way. So use my 30-day free trial link in below. You're going to get access to me, and you're going to be able to sit back in 30 days to get this configured, to get clients and start collecting money immediately before you even have to pay anything for the software. So again, I hope you've liked this. If this is an opportunity you want to move forward with, sign up below. Take my free course if you want to take it and just see some of the additional options. There's no rush for you, but the sooner you get started, the sooner you're going to start making money. Thanks so much for hanging in there with me, and have a great day. Bye-bye.